Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming account and network so you can sync saves and access updates. Once done, check available drive space and free at least 5% to avoid installation errors. Next, perform a full power cycle. Hold the console Xbox button for 10 seconds until it shuts off, unplug for 30 seconds, then plug back in and restart. This clears temporary cache and often resolves corrupted package metadata without touching game files. Make sure the console finishes the boot sequence before proceeding. You now attempt in-place repair so you preserve saves and settings, open My Games and Apps, highlight the title, choose Manage, then Files and select Repair. If the system reports repair failed or missing files, uninstall the game but not storage of cloud saves. That preserves progress. After uninstall, reinstall directly from your library or disk, observing the installation queue and ensuring the correct drive is selected. Make sure updates download fully. Partial installs often reintroduce corruption, so if reinstall still fails, address network or system software. Clear the alternate MAC and network settings and run a network test to eliminate download corruption. If the console operating system appears unstable, use an offline system update via USB stick following Xbox instructions. This replaces system files without erasing user content. As a last resort, backup cloud saves and perform a factory reset keeping or removing games as needed. Troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, check the cloud save timestamp. If missing, stop and back up before wiping to avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.